Okay guys, so at the moment, after traveling for 2 hours from Peshawar, I'm standing at the last Pakistani railway station to Afghanistan, the Landi Kotal. You can see the board here. So this station is not used much. Even for 20 years, this station hasn't been used for any purpose of transportation. But you can see here, there are 6 to 7 lines here. There's no proper building here. But there's a platform here. And believe me, it's a fantastic experience standing here at this historical railway station. Standing here and being here is a nice experience because there are mountains around, and this place is especially itself very special because the people from Pakistani Pathans and Afghan Pathans together, they live here and they make it a fantastic cosmopolitan. So let's see, let's explore this place more. Okay, so look at this. There are 6 lines here at this station Landi Kotal. I don't know why they have built too many lines here, because just one was enough for transportation. It's not a busy railway station. And the surroundings are fantastic. The mountains around and the bazaars. So these things are special for me. Okay, I found a ticket station here. This is not used now because the station is not been used for 20 years. But there's a history written here, and there's a ticket house. It's closed, rusted, and some information here. Well, fantastic. So everything is abandoned. Everything is ruined here. The station is not used. I was like, I'm at this station, Landi Kotal, and I found these very beautiful, fantastic children here. They look like the English children here. They look like, in local language we call that Angrez actually. They are very beautiful. बहुत प्यारे बच्चे हैं ये, बहुत खूबसूरत बच्चे हैं, जैसे अंग्रेज़ के बच्चे होते हैं ये, और अंग्रेज़ बहुत प्यारे बच्चे हैं. हाँ, उर्दू आता है आपको? Okay, in Urdu. They don't know Urdu. I don't know Pashto, so that's why it's difficult to make communication here. But having with them is a fantastic experience. Thank you very much.